So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find houses for rent here on apartments.com. So once you have apartments.com opened up, what I want you to do is to just go to the location here and type in your location. So for this demonstration, I will just stick with Toronto, Ontario. Once you press on the search bar, it's going to show you apartments for rent. And if you want to filter this to houses, just go to the top here to where it says all filters, and then just scroll down to where it says home type, and then press on houses. Then go to the bottom right and press on search. Now, what this is going to be doing now is refining your search to houses that are currently listed for rent. So if you find one that you want to see, go to the right hand side of your screen and proceed with the listing that way. But pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is how to find houses for rent here on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.